So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and basically get PolyMarket on your iPhone. Now, whether you have an iPhone or Android, it's basically the same process. The first thing you're going to want to do here is you want to make your way over into your App Store or your Google Play Store. So go right into your App Store or your Google Play Store, and you want to go ahead and search up for PolyMarket. Tap on the search bar at the bottom and go ahead and search up for PolyMarket. Now, what we're going to want to do here is we want to go ahead and find the PolyMarket application. So tap on PolyMarket like this, and you should be able to see this PolyMarket app that basically comes up. So now after searching up this particular application, this page will basically come up right here. And all you're going to have to do here is basically tap on open once you actually install it. So once it's installed, go and click on open, and then you'll be able to come into here. Now it's going to tell you that PolyMarket is basically in a, join the waitlist kind of page. So here you can go ahead and basically join the waitlist under, PolyMarket. So it's going to be up to you when you actually go through and get onto the waitlist, but go through here, type in your phone number that you want, and then you can join the waitlist. Now, if you already have a code, you can also type in, I have an invite code right here, and you can also go through and type in that code if you already have the option, if you already typed in the code, if you already have a code. So you can do it this way, but that's kind of how you do it for the most part, and it's a very basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.